So our products is mostly focused on the synthetic woven. So this is a new development, the products in the Bangladesh market. So basically we can see a lot of the like knit and the cotton, like this kind of the fabric in the local market. Now develop more and more like the customer from the US and the Europeans. They use more like the synthetic, the woven in the Bangladesh. So we develop more like this kind of the chance and opportunities here. So we also every year we will join this exhibition to develop our business. So it will I think it's a good result for us, and we can get more like the more orders from this exhibition, the customer. So that's better for us.